All right, this is the elevator here at HEB Plaza Cumbres in Monterrey, Mexico. And we have this second one is now the regular Chinese brand. And you can see both of these are now some Chinese brands. So anyways, here we go. It just went up to the first floor. And this was the UP elevator one. I wanted to do a final ride on this, but I never got to. But here it is. And I'm gonna have to put the camera down because there may be some shoppers in it. It's gonna take a while to get down here. All right. All right, the cab is still the same, so I'm gonna go up to one. This goes inside the store. This first was a ThyssenKrupp, then a UP, and now some weird unknown Chinese brand. Here at one. All right. Okay. All right. Sorry about that, guys. That indicator looks a lot like a Kone. The other car has a different indicator. Here at PB. Right, we're gonna go up to one and we're gonna end it there. I canceled the call. Just wait for a sec. All right. You're a nice elevator. Hello, but there's your HEB logo. Here are the fixtures and the indicator. The number one reminds me a bit of a Fujitec, but here at one. All right. Some people on. All right, people, we're gonna have to end it here. All right, there you have it, and that's it.